Can I have a bite?
Oh.
Why? You can finish it all?
Huh?
Just one bite? Favorite mo ba yan? No? Gutom ka? Pagod ka mag-walk?
Every year. Ano kaya year yung kanila? Kasi iba-iba oh. 22, 2018 iba na. 2019 iba din.
Kuya Aries! Come! Asan si Kuya Aries? Hanapin niyo si Kuya Aries, dali! Kakaris! Tay. Up! Come! Ayun mo, ayun na nahulog na to para naman.
Tanggal na pa kanina na kayo. Are we again?
Ayun, may madulas na pwesto dun.
Are you okay? Are you okay, Adi?
Ooh, look at my head. Wow! Ayaw mo pa magbihis? Bihis na? Opo? Bihis na pa? Ah, may sand pa. Okay. All done. Hi. Say hi. Where's Nanay's water? Oh my God. Natapon. It's okay. Where's my sandals? Bihis ka na? Bihis ka na? Ay!
The water is freezing or is the water warm?
Ayaw. Beb. Kuya, tawag na kayo. Asan na yung tay? Wala nang laman yun. Ubusin na lang nila yun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yummy? Anong food mo? Patingin? Kuya, sandali. Beb. Kay Raygar. Tay, gawin mo yung kay Raygar.
Not burn.
Yeah, Tay, don't burn it.
You don't burn? Okay.
Put it high.
Yeah, like that.
You're not
You want
girl.
big? You want big, kuya? Like
Yes.
Irish kanina? Okay. You're gonna make it big.
How did you?
See? It's getting big na. See?
Wow.
Mine.
Marunong pala si tatay eh.
Mine. Not too
See?
It was more than big. How?
Oh, it's getting big.
Wow. Si nanay din, I'm gonna make it big.
Super big.
Super, super big.
Oo nga, lumalaki
I
yung kay
don't
tatay.
make mine like this big.
Oh.
Like that. I'm gonna make mine
You want-
this
that's enough?
big.
I don't make mine
No?
Oh, yung stick, yung stick.
Oh, stick. Paano natin?
I'm gonna make mine like this big.
It's so tall.
Oh, it's tall.
That
Mine is
tall?
this big.
That big. That's
Oh,
not
I think,
big.
see? It's big now. See what you mean kay kuya? Big, it's big.
Wala, oh, look. Mine is getting bigger.
And mine is. No, Papa's. Mine is super bigger than
It's gonna
anyone.
get burn.
Okay na yan, mag-burn na yan.
Oh. Can I do that for the wife?
Okay, go. More. More. Okay, wait.
Wow!
Lakasan mo. Sige, lakas. Sige pa. Okay, stop. Thank you.
It's too high.
Eh, no, it's not.
High. Oh, yeah, that's why. That one for boys.
This way is for girls and that one is for...
Boys.
Bakit?
Because look.
Ah, okay. Let's go na. Good morning. One more, get one more bread.
Use the,
Why?
We need two. We can put two, yeah.
Gawin mo. Gawin mo sa taas yung kamay mo. Sa taas.
Nahirapan kaliwa eh.
Yan.
Yes,
Para hindi
perfect.
para hindi maawi. Yan, very good kuya. Yan. Sa taas yun. Yan, yan.
Wanna put fire? Okay, when you're done.
Kuya, baby.
Tanggalin mo na yung scissor mo na. Yan, okay. Put here. Nope. Then tanggal the bag, the plastic. There's plastic. There's plastic on it. Tanggal mo. Mahulog ha. Dito mo lagay yung hotdog.
You did.
I can turn it off. Dito naman sa kabila. Okay, put it down. I'm gonna step on it. Put it down.
It's too hot.
Hot. Hot ang alin.
Come here, Iris. Iris, come here. Iris, come here.
Baby, no.
She just wanna help. Here, babe. Tanggalin mo yung plastic. Asan yun? Takip ako.
Baby, yes.
Ala, wag mong durugin. Don't durog.
What did you drink? Wait,
Doon po na sa damit, kuya. I have a paper towel if you want.
Fire in there.
big pile?
Baby,
Oh.
See the girl.
I have a paper towel, my love. Doon po na sa yung damit.
Oh no.
Another ball.
Yay!
Now, do you know?
Hot!
What? Was it this?
Yeah, sure. Akin ako. No, I'm not. What's that? It's not moving.
I want to pinch him.
Dito taas. Wait, kuya. Be quiet. Wait, kuya's going. Kuya's trying. Ah! Wala na. Yes. Naiwan ka? It's okay. Ayun sila, oh. You wanna see?
Mommy.
Ayun sila, oh. Gusto mo pumunta? Hmm?
No.
Hot? Are you hot? Ano yun? Is it really a snake? Is it a snake really?
Of those.
Oh, don't touch it,
So
okay?
you know how animals will do.
Good.
Yun lang eh, hindi mo may yung tubig.
Boy.
Ate, ito. Yeah. Umupo ka. Did you touch the other guy?
That eye is gone. Like that eye is gone.
Where's tatay?
I don't know.
Malis? Saan pumunta?
I don't know.
Wala. Wala na yung car. Ubalis na nga si tatay.
Where is he?
Bebe, saan si tatay?
Red guy's good.
Asan si tatay?
Can you see Kuya? See?
No. No, no. I said, can you see the baby?
Bakit ako mag-aalaga? Ikaw mag-aalaga, baby mo yan eh. Sabi niya, mama. Oh, ikaw naman. Oh. Sa pillow? Sleep sila. O sige, kunin mo. Lagay mo sa pillow. Mm. O, kanta mo. Clap your hands. Oh, happy birthday. Kantahan mo.
Itong damit, okay na yan? Lalagay dyan. Pwede. Huwag kang maingay. Ito. Kailan na? Eating french fries.
Don't scare. Dito ka na lang.
Ito, huwag dyan. May mga magugulat yun na. Wala na, umalis na.
Aww.
Sa likod mo, ayun o. Yan. Eating french fries. Ay, si Eric.
It was too fast. It is sit down.
Yes, I don't have it. Where is it? Where is it?
Anong hinahanap mo?
My car.
What car?
Oh, my car.
Okay, stop mo na kuya.
Stop.
Oh, napulunan na dun. May nasamid na.
Yan, tulo lang.
Ahem. Oh, tulog ulit.
Sino siya?